We'll discuss that later. Okay. Oh boy, this is beautiful. We got a door issue right now. I don't know why I'm writing this during a thunderstorm. Come on. What is this? No. No way. Oh my god, this thing got worse. Oh my god. It came back down. Wait, let's see what happens. Alright, let's try again. It does work. It's gotta work, right? Watch this beautiful piece of machinery close. Or if it even will close. No, the door's... It's gotta work, right? Come on. It's trying. Wow. Okay, let's get our view. Look how badly it's raining right now. Oh, go down. Will it even close? That's the question. Oh, it closes up here. This freaking thing. This thing is... There we go, there we go. Thank you. This thing is heavily messed up. It somehow got worse since I last came here. There you go. Like it's gonna close anywhere. Oh, it closed that time. Okay. Alright, we know that thing sucks.